Breaking news coming this hour, the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, Najib Jung, will be meeting all three political parties in the evening today for consultations on government formation. The BJP will be called in first, followed by the Aam Aadmi Party and then the Congress. Let's get a word from our correspondent Ankit Tyagi, who's with us on the phone line. Ankit, Najib Jung not calling the single largest party, but all three parties for consultations.
Well, absolutely. Significant breaking news as far as the formation of Delhi government is concerned on the channel right now, Simi. The Lieutenant Governor had, in fact, after the President had sent a nod, even in that note, the President had said that he should meet all the political parties and try and form and see if there is a possibility of formation of government. Lieutenant Governor following that up today in the evening, our sources have told us that the consultations will begin. It will start with the BJP. What we have been told, the time has not been confirmed yet, but it can be anywhere between 4 and 5 when the BJP will be called in, and then it will be followed up by the Aam Aadmi Party and later the Congress. Also, very significantly, sources within the BJP that the party has made up its mind to go in for fresh elections, and that they are going to go and tell the Lieutenant Governor that they do not have enough numbers to form the government.
All right, Ankit, that's an important point that you're raising, that we've already been told by top sources in the BJP that a decision has been taken by the parliamentary party that it will not stake claim over government formation but demand fresh polls in Delhi. What exactly is then on the agenda as far as the LG's meeting is concerned?
See, this is something that inter-party consultations are concerned. The BJP has themselves decided that this is the stand that they are going to take. But it will be the process would be that the Lieutenant Governor will call the single largest party first, the BJP. He will ask them whether there is any possibility that they would want to explore or they have enough support for them to sustain a government. At that point of time, the BJP, which has already decided that they are going to go in for fresh polls, that's the time when they will tell the Lieutenant Governor they do not have enough numbers, and then the Lieutenant Governor will follow it up with the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress. And given the the strength of each party in the House, it seems very likely that the Assembly of Delhi, which is in suspended animation, could very soon be dissolved and fresh elections may be called in.
Ankit, thanks so much for that update. Ankit getting us the latest on this big developing story as far as government formation in Delhi is concerned. The Lieutenant Governor to hold meetings with all political parties this evening. Delhi could be heading towards fresh elections. Top sources in the BJP have told headlines today that leaders of the party are likely to convey to the Lieutenant Governor that they don't want to form a government without fresh polls. BJP leaders are expected to convey their decision to the Lieutenant Governor soon. And this means that they could also convey this when they meet the Lieutenant Governor this evening. The decision to not stake claim over government formation was reportedly taken at the BJP's parliamentary party meet last night. The Supreme Court had adjourned the hearing on the plea seeking dissolution of the Delhi Assembly till the 11th of November, giving the Lieutenant Governor time till then to hold consultations with all political parties.